So why haven't you heard this before? Why do most churches still teach the rib interpretation and use Genesis 2 to establish male hierarchy? Because getting the female equation wrong has been essential to maintaining patriarchal power structures for 2,000 years. If Genesis 1 is the complete picture, if male and female are equally created in God's image, equally essential, equally divine, then every theological system built on male supremacy collapses. And let me be clear, I'm not pushing feminism, I'm pushing scripture. I'm pushing what the Hebrew actually says when you stop reading it through the lens of tradition and start reading it through the lens of truth.